So some of us are new to this. And so for those of you that are new to it, do you feel like you'd like to use it again?
Hearing about all the great work you have done in this class, you guys are ahead of the game now because you're learning this.
More for everyone, or is it like, you know how certain type of interface might have, some people might see it and have difficulty with it?
Especially if the person who's using it is inexperienced, not knowing where to go. Maybe the application could suggest a standard source to go to, like may wish to talk to so and such person or so and such office.